का आयोजन हो चुका है और हमारी टीम आ पहुंची है यहाँ पूसा किसान मेले में, जहां पर हमने तमाम किसानों से बातचीत की। यहाँ पर कंपनीज से जाना कि पिछली बार से इस बार क्या कुछ अलग है, क्या किसानों के लिए अलग तरीके की तकनीक लेकर इस बार इस मेले का आयोजन किया गया है। लेकिन आज हमारे बीच इस समय मौजूद हैं एक ऐसे किसान जिन्होंने अपनी नेवी की नौकरी को छोड़ने के बाद एक किसानों की ज़िंदगी को बदलने के लिए कई कदम उठाए, उनको काफ़ी प्रशिक्षण दिया, उनको ट्रेनिंग्स दी हैं। तो पहले तो सर आप अपना नाम बताएं।
I'm Commander C.V. Prakash, a retired naval officer, and I've been in the field of soilless agriculture this is my 22nd year in the field.
Okay.
Yeah, so after I retired from the Navy, I went to Australia, and that's where I learned the subject of soilless agriculture. I worked on many farms, I learned the hard way, and in 2008, after 8 years in Australia, I felt that I must bring this technology for my country. So when I developed a bit of confidence, I came to India and I started. It did not start as CV Hydro, it started as the Pet Burrow project. That is how we started. So Pet Burrow project has gone through several changes in names and things like that, but finally it became CV Hydro, and CV Hydro comes from CV Prakash, that's my name, so CV Hydro. I also am fortunate to have pioneered the concept in this country, and my way of teaching people, farmers, is that farming is not something where only rich people can get in. Everybody should be able to farm, because agriculture, India's economy runs on agriculture mainly. Almost 60 to 70% of our people are farmers. But the thing is, my whole idea was how to put science into the farming, because most people are farming based upon what previous generations have been doing, so they are not able to see any change. So soilless agriculture, it doesn't mean that soilless agriculture you should grow everything, because it doesn't make economic sense. But you can grow all kinds of vegetables, you can grow herbs, you can grow flowers, you can grow so many different things. You can even have a nursery to help other farmers with high quality young plants. So the whole idea of my project is how to make people eat good food. मैं बोलता हूँ कि अच्छा खाना जो है वो हमारा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है। ये ऐसा नहीं कि only अमीर आदमी can eat good food. Everybody should be able to eat affordable, good, clean food without much of pesticide residue and other things. So in all my journey of 22 years, I have never used chemical pesticide myself. I've always used only the organic methods by bacteria, enzymes and various other things. So it is harder when you use chemical pesticide, you can just spray and go home. कुछ नहीं होने वाला. लेकिन when you are using preventive methods like bacteria and so many other things, क्या होता है? Your challenge is more. Means you have to be more observant and you have to see something before it happens. So my mission is to teach people, and I've trained more than 12,000 students in this country in the last 14 years. This is my 14th year. 12,000 students, who some of them are simple housewives, or they just want to grow something in their homes. पुराने ज़माने में we always grow something at home. आजकल के ज़माने में we don't grow anything at home. There was a time when we never went to market to buy क्या बोलते हैं coriander, for example, क्योंकि it was there in the house. Methi, all these small things we used to grow at home. Today that is not happening because everything has changed. People have become more material minded. But we need to go back at some stage and start growing something at home. And also the whole idea is that we should be able to feed people with good food, good quality food. So my mission is to train, like I gave you my card, I want to make 500 very smart, sensible, scientific farmers in my lifetime. I've already crossed the 200 mark, and if I live longer, I hope I can finish even more students, because they should go and teach others. Only then this whole Kranti will happen. Just to give you a background, the last revolution that we began, we started with Mission Turmeric 2021, and we got some amazing results, and you can see that chart out there.
This is the Mission Haldi project.
Yes.
What is the vision and what is the clarities? क्या इसमें includes हैं?
Yeah, so Mission Turmeric में क्या है? We are not teaching people how to grow haldi. We are trying to teach people how to grow very high quality haldi. You get the difference? So we did during COVID, when the first COVID came and the lockdown happened, all my students went back home, so I had to do something. So I did research on turmeric. I did a variety called the Salem variety, which is from a place called Erode in Tamil Nadu. And for the entire 9 months, I was growing turmeric, and I got some very good results. So, what are the results? We could show that we can do almost 7 to 8 times the quantity in terms of yield when you compare with soil farmers. So when soil farmers get about 900 to maybe even 1 kg of turmeric per plant, we got the highest yield of almost 8.13 kilograms, which is a huge jump. And there is, you all may be knowing because you're from the Fasal Kranti company. You know that government has been telling about doubling farmers' income by 2022. So what we did, we also aligned ourselves with that mission of government. We didn't work with the government, but we aligned ourselves as a private institute to see. So we chose turmeric as a cash crop. So now if a farmer is getting 1 kg and we are able to help him to get 2 kg, we have already doubled his income. But the way we got 8 times the yield, we have almost octupled the income of a farmer. So if you see there, that is a soilless turmeric grower success story. We were there on his farm last week on Sunday, and Vinay and Kanta, these two are partners. They're first-time farmers, and they were late in planting their turmeric, and we harvested many bags. And normally turmeric is a 9-month crop. So in 7th month and 6th month, so he had planted in 2 different dates. They got 5 kg average per grow bag. 5 kilograms. So they have 7,000 grow bags in their area where they grow. So even if you take 5 kg as the average, 7,000 bags into 5 kg is 35 tons, 35,000 kg. And every bit of the turmeric that is harvested is so clean. In soil, what happens when they harvest the turmeric or ginger, usme they have a lot of soil diseases, fungal attacks. So if you get 100 kg, only they can sell 40, 45 kg, 50 kg. वो सब loss में जाता है. Here our haldi is so clean, so pristine turmeric. There is no loss only. And we use all the biocontrols. We use various types of bacteria with our cocoa peat. That always there is a healthy root zone environment. Many people don't realize that the root zone, जो rhizosphere बोलते हैं, plant का जो root zone है, that root is actually like the stomach of a human being. जितना clean stomach रहता है, उतना अच्छा आपका health रहता है. So we have the control over the root zone more than anything else. And also we send it for testing for heavy metals. आप जानते हैं heavy metal की वजह से cancer आता है. एक भी ऐसा चीज़ नहीं था जैसे arsenic, lead, mercury. Nothing was there because we don't use any such poisonous stuff in our growing. Okay. There was no microbiological contamination जैसे E. coli जो बोलते हैं coliforms, salmonella, कुछ भी नहीं. So it is the cleanest turmeric. Why I chose turmeric is because it's a cash crop. There is money in it. And today, especially after COVID, हम पूरा इंडिया में हम लोग
इंग्रेडिएंट
हमारे इंडिया में इतना कोविड आने के बाद भी आप अगर पूरा पॉपुलेशन देखेंगे तो जितने डेथ्स हुए हैं बहुत कम है. मोस्टली कोमॉर्बिडिटी जिसको था वो मरे हैं. बड़े बड़े स्लम में भी बड़े जैसे धारावी है बॉम्बे में, उधर कोई केस ही नहीं था और वो लोग कैसे नज़दीक रहते हैं. तो इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द इम्यूनिटी प्रोवाइडेड बाय दीज थिंग्स. जिंजर हम सभी इंडियंस वी हैव टर्मरिक एटलीस्ट वंस अ डे इन आवर करी. जिंजर, गार्लिक, दिस इज नॉर्मल. वी आर अ वेरी आयुर्वेदिक नेशन and we have a history of Ayurveda since 5 to 6,000 years back. Correct? हम लोग आयुर्वेद ऐसे ही बोल देते हैं without realizing. So what I'm trying to say is, so Mission Turmeric का क्या है? India is a producer of 80% of the world's turmeric. India produces 80% of the world's turmeric. But still, there are pharmaceutical companies in India which are importing from Vietnam and other places. That's not good. Our farmers should benefit. So we teach them how to grow the turmeric. We have various packages. We have what is called as a growers package. Last year, when we launched, we had 23 people growing, out of which 20 are 500 and 1,000 square feet. Because we don't tell people to go in very big way. We tell them to go in a small way. पहले सीखो, फिर करो, पैसा वेस्ट मत करो. So we had a growers package. फिर कुछ लोग सीजन मिस हो गए तो उनको दूसरा पैकेज में डाल दिए, watch and learn program. So whatever our growers are doing, we share the information with the watch and learn guys. So we had 47 people totally last year.
How many courses you have?
We have various courses. We have 90-day practical training program for various crops, leafy vegetables, vine crops, tuber crops like potato, beetroot, carrot, everything is included. That happens in Bangalore. Then we have a remote training program. So if some people can't come to Bangalore, so uske liye we have a different package where they also get my help. They can call me anytime and ask me, sir, मेरा पौधा ऐसा हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, and I give them the information what to do. Then we have the turmeric and ginger boot camp बोलते हैं. Boot camp क्या होता है? जैसे अभी सीज़न आ रहा है, अभी हल्दी उगाने का सीज़न आ रहा है, अभी मई जून में उगाएंगे, स्पेशली दीज एरिया, योर एरिया विल बी अराउंड जून. लोग जो पहले बार ये टर्मरिक करने वाले हैं, व्हाट वी डू इज़ वी डू अ 4-day बूट कैंप. उसमें हम लोग सिखाते हैं सीड को कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, कैसे कितना सीडिंग डेप्थ होना चाहिए, कोकोपीट को सैनिटाइज कैसे करते हैं. काफ़ी सारे चीज़ें 4 दिन में कवर होता है, सो दैट एवरीबडी स्टार्ट्स ऑन द राइट ट्रैक. गलती नहीं करना चाहिए, ऑटोमेटिकली यू आर गोइंग टू सफ़र. सो हमारा आइडिया क्या है, जो ऐसे फार्मर्स हैं जो उगाना चाहते हैं, हम लोग उनको करेक्ट रास्ता दिखाते हैं. सो वी हैव दैट ऑल्सो बूट कैम्प. देन वी हैव अ सिंप्लीफाइड हाइड्रोपोनिक वीडियो पैकेज बिकॉज आई एम अ टीचर. So when I'm teaching, my colleague Rajiv has been recording, and I've
You
got,
have a big team. You have a big team.
yeah, not big team. We are just two.
You are just two.
Just two. Yeah. So Rajiv looks after all my digital and admin and support, and I look after the training, agronomy support, consulting that I do.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes. And simplified hydroponic video package is my classroom teaching. जो 2 दिन के लिए मैं खड़ा सिखाता हूँ लोगों को. दैट इज दैट. देन वी हैव अ सॉइललेस टर्मरिक कल्टिवेशन, हल्दी कल्टिवेशन का एक स्पेशल पैकेज. सो वी हैव दोस पैकेजेस आल्सो. यस.
थैंक यू सो मच सीवी जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए.